Hello and welcome back to the new video of the Java tutorial series. So till now we have covered the theoretical part of the array, and we have also done some uh, easy level questions of the array. And in this video we'll be talking some medium level question of the array, which requires some searching and sorting techniques. So till now I have not discussed the searching and sorting algorithms which are there in uh, for used in Java arrays. So in our upcoming videos we will cover that. Don't worry. There are a number of the sorting techniques and searching test. There are two searching techniques are there, which is linear search and binary search. We will cover that in our upcoming videos. So what will be the agenda for this video is I will be covering this three medium level questions which are arrays questions. So I again these many questions are not enough for you to practice. You just have to get your hand dirty on the programming. So what I suggest you just go to the any of the portal, Geeks for Geeks, HackerRank, and Hacker Earth. Register there. Try solving questions on the arrays. Set the difficulty levels as easy, medium, then hard. Okay, so practice more and more so that you can improve your logic building. Okay, so let's get started. What is the question? Write a Java program to test if an array contains a specific value. So what this programs what this in this question what we have to do is we have to search for an element which is given by the first of all we require an array, and inside that array you will be getting one element which is of arrays of type arrays holding the integer values itself, and you have to search that element inside that array, whether that element is present inside that array or not. If that present inside the array, you just simply return true. It's a boolean value. And if that element doesn't present inside that array, you just simply will return false, okay, on the console. Okay, so let me get into my IDE and I will just simply comment this out. These are previous video solutions. Okay, and I will simply comment, and here I will again comment, and I will write medium question 1. Okay, medium level questions 1. Okay, now I will be creating one method inside this, and since this method is public, I will declare it as public, and I will declare it as static because I have to call this inside my main method, and which is a static method. Okay, static, and this will return a boolean value, either true or false. It will return true if that element is present inside that array, and it will return false if that element is not present inside that array. Okay, and I will write my method name as contains means whether that element is inside that array or not. You can write anything whatever you want, and I will pass my array and item means the value that we have to search inside that array. Okay, and I will simply write one for loop, and I will write integer I in array. What we have to do, we have to check if the array at ith index is equals to item. Is equal array at ith index, not just sorry, I have followed the traditional for loop over here. I just have to write I is equals to item. uh, Sorry about that. And I will write inside this return true. Okay, return true. I guess this cannot return a value from a method with void result type. Why am I getting? Oh wait, I forgot that this is the separate method. Let me just remove this my main method so that program can understand this is as a separate method. Okay, now it's okay. I will import my main method over here. Why am I not getting? Wait a minute, let me check this whether. Oh yeah, sorry, I have not ended the method. Now it's working fine. I will get my main method. Okay, now it's working fine. Okay, and after this for loop, when the program execution will get at line number 36, when we doesn't find any element which matches to the item that we have passed to the method. Okay, so in that case we simply return false. Okay, now it's okay, and now we will call that method inside this main method. For that, before that, I will declare one array int array which is equals to I will simply assign the values over here itself, 10 comma 20 comma 23 comma 30 comma 45. You can give any value whatever you want, and after that I will require one variable item, means the value that we want to search inside that array. Let's suppose we have to search 23 inside that array. Okay, and now I will just print the call the contents method, and I will pass array and item as my parameters to it. Okay, now if I run this, since the 23 is present inside this array, the expected output should be true. Yes, it is returning true. And now if I give item value as number which is not present inside the array, then in that case I should get false. Yes, it is getting showing false. Okay, now it's working fine. So this is the solution to the question number 1. And what is the question number 2? Second question, that is fifth question. Write a Java program to find the index of an array element. So we have to find the index of an array element. Okay, so in this case we have to get one array from the user, and we want one item. Like here we have declared over here one item should be there, and we have to match whether that item is present inside that array or not. If that matches, we just have to return the index at which the item is present inside that array. Okay, this is the idea behind this question. I will comment this out and this statement also. And now here I will write one more comment, uh, medium question 2, and for this I will create one in method by the name of find index, because we have to find the index of the element that is present inside that array. And I will write public static, the return type should be int, because we are returning the index, that is the integer value. Okay, so the array method name is find index, and this method is receiving one array as an input and integer uh, t. Let me give it as t. Okay, so what we are going to do inside this, we will check one base condition. If if the array is equals to null, then return -1. This is called as base condition in programming. You have to check the corner cases, whether these are the cases that you need to handle, or this will improve your space and time complexity of the your algorithm. Because if the array is null, means array is empty, there is no point checking, doing all those running those loops, doing all those processing tasks. Then it you can simply return -1, because if the array is null, you are not going to get that element inside that array. Okay, so this is the base condition that we have to check. And Now here I will write integer length equals to array dot oops sorry array dot length, and I will require one more variable I is equals to 0, and I will declare one while loop, and inside this I will write I is less than my length. Okay, I'm doing this task, I'm running this while loop whenever my I is less than length. So initially my i's value is 0 and length value is the number of the elements which are present inside that array. Okay, it can be anything 5, 10, whatever the number of elements you pass inside that array. And inside this for loop I will check one if condition. If my array at ith index is equals to t. Okay, t is nothing but the value, the item that we want to find inside that array. In that case we will simply return the value of the return the I means the this i's value. I represents the current index at which the loop is running. So if that element matches the elements that we want to pass that we have passed to the method, then in that case return the value of the I. That means return the value of the index at which the element is present inside the array. And if it is not present inside the array, if it not matches with the elements inside that array, simply do I plus plus, means increment the value of the I, and again go for the checking whether the I is less than equals to length. And whenever my while loop is executed successfully and I still not found the element which I want to find inside that array, in that case that means that element is not present inside that array. In that case we will simply return -1. Okay, and now I hope this is the thing that we have to do inside this method. And now if I go inside my main method, I will be using the same array, and here I will give 23 as an input, the item which we are searching for inside this array. And array indexing start from 0, so 0 1 2, the expected output should be 2. Okay, and I will simply print, I will call the method find index and I will pass array and the item to this method. Okay, now if I run this, I should get 0 1 2. Yeah, we are getting 2 on the console because 0 1 2, the element is found at the index 23. And let me give the items value as 2, which is not there inside that array. In that case I should get the output as -1. Yeah, we are receiving it as -1. And if I give the array as an empty array, base condition we also check. In that case also we will receive -1. Yeah, we are receiving the -1. uh, Now it's okay. Now the one more question was there, write a Java program to copy an array by iterating the array. Now we in this question we have given one array. We just have to copy the elements which are present inside one array and take those elements and copy those all elements inside the new array. Okay, so there are several ways by which we can write this code in optimized manner. uh, okay, so for now, till now, I'm assuming that you don't have any advanced knowledge about the arrays and problem solving. So we'll go the basic approach itself. Okay. So now I will comment it out and I will write one more comment over here stating medium question 3, and now I will comment this also. Okay. So I will write one more method over here. Okay, so what we'll be doing, we just have to copy the elements. Okay, so in that case the method should not return anything. Okay, so the return type should be void. Okay, so I will public static void uh, wait, do I need to create one separate method first? I think no need is there to create one separate method. We can do this kind of stuff inside the main method itself. Okay, so one array was declared already over here. I will use the same array. This items value was not required for me to in this question, and I will declare one more array. I will call this as new array, new integer of, and I will give the same 1 2 3 4 5 capacity of 5 elements inside this array. Okay, and now mm, to do this, one inbuilt method was there. I will use it as okay. I will write original array, and to print this array inside one go, we have one method arrays dot to string, and we have to pass the array name to it. Okay, now it's so arrays dot to string. Arrays is the class which is provided by the Java in the util package. Here you can see, if I hover over here, you can see java dot util dot arrays, and I guess, yeah, IntelliJ IDEA has also imported the following package. Okay, what it will do, it will get array as an input, and it will convert that array into the string. Okay, so it will, here you can see it is accepting the array as a parameter, and it will convert those array elements into the string, and it will print all those in a sequence of that we have stored over here. Okay, now I just have to copy all those elements. So for the copying purpose, I required one for loop, which will start from I is equals to 0, and which will go till my array dot length, and each time I will be doing I plus plus, and inside this array I will simply write new array. Wait. A new array at ith index means the first index, that is 0th index. I will copy the element which is present at array at ith index. Means we are just simply taking the first element of the original array, and we are assigning it to the value at the 0th index at the new array. Similarly, when we go for the again checking for the for loop, at that time i's value is 1, we will simply get the first element of the original array and copy it with the first position of the new array. Okay, and after that, once the for loop is ended, the same thing we are going to do. We are going to print the copied array and we will pass new array as an input to this. Okay, now if I run this, the same array should get printed. Okay, original array is 10 20 23 30 45, and copied array is 10 20 30 23 30 and 45. So this is the solution to the question number 6th. So I hope you got some idea how these searching and sorting techniques are done in Java. There are some algorithms, like I said, linear search, binary search, and for the sorting, bubble sort, heap sort, radix sort, merge sort is there. There are so many sorting techniques. We'll also cover that all these algorithms in our upcoming video. But before that, you should go to Geeks for Geeks or HackerRank to try solving some questions, so that your logic building will get improved in the programming. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.